Hi everybody, I'm Philip Duncan. Thank you for joining us for our Thursday weather video brought to you by Country TV on Sky Channel 081. We've got a lot to talk about and lots of people are asking us, will it snow at my place? Well, here's the colder southerly change sweeping through. As a result of that, much colder south of about Taranaki and Taupo, but north of that still got patchy rain, cloud and northwesterly winds coming through. That's blowing away though as these winds start to come in. And this is how it looks for Friday. These are very cold Antarctic southerlies coming in. Now they come up towards the South Island, then they curve and they might come in as an easterly or a southeasterly. So you may be thinking if it's an easterly it's not that bad, but actually it is a very cold wind. The daytime high is around 5 or 6 degrees, but you can also see that it's patchy. It's not hugely wet. It's not like the rain you see up there that's heavy. So it's only light showers down here, which means just like rain showers, not everybody gets them. It's hit and miss. And also, the second thing that's going on is it's borderline in the coastal areas. The sea, it sort of lets out, radiates warmth, only a small amount, but it's enough to stop the snow from falling and settling around sea level areas. Once you get inland, it's far more likely to sit there. So if you live in the coastal areas, or sort of just slightly inland in the Canterbury Plains, the snow is absolutely borderline. It's possible, but we're not locking it in. You just have to keep up to date with the forecasts. In the North Island, there's snow heavy around the Central Plateau, snow falling around Rimutaka Ranges and the Wellington Hilltop suburbs overnight, maybe down to 300 metres. And it gets colder as the night goes on as this all sweeps northwards. Now to Saturday, low pressure deepening around the North Island means heavy rain for the east coast. That's good news for Hawke's Bay and Wairarapa. That could do with some rain, but it hopefully won't be too much of a good thing because it could get over 100 millimetres around the ranges anyway. And then we've got very strong winds out on this side, maybe severe gale around Taranaki, strong blustery winds, heavy rain and showers, hail in there as well. And in the South Island, snow flurries first thing, clearing. You can see there's a lot of dry weather because when the air is cold from Antarctica, not a lot of moisture. So you're hearing a lot of news about snow. That's because we have to warn farmers and growers about it. But for the people who want snow, you might get frustrated that there's not enough. And that's just simply because it is very dry. And that drier pattern and the winds calming down as this high over here starts to move in. Overnight lows around Alexandra on Saturday night -10, which means Otago and into the Mackenzie country, inland parts of Canterbury through the mountains. You could be getting down to -10, 11, -12 potentially overnight Saturday while the north has all this rough weather. And we'll just quickly give you Sunday. It dries out, big frost down here, frosty weather around the north if the winds die out. And with this low next by, it's still raining around Gisborne and Hawke's Bay with snow on the ranges. That's just the next few days. We've got a 10-minute long 10-day forecast at Country TV. Go to Sky Channel 081 if you want to see that.